Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where Winds Meet mobile app not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android devices. So just restart your Android device and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to check for the where Winds Meet app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for where Winds Meet and tap on it, and if there are any update available, then update it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check where Winds Meet game is working or not. Fix 4 is to force stop or force close where Winds Meet app. So tap and hold where Winds Meet app icon and then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm. Then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to clear the cache of where Winds Meet app. So again tap and hold the where Winds Meet app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the where Winds Meet app icon, then click on app info, then click on battery usage and then check mark allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then check for device update. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then click on software update, and if there are any updates available, then update it and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and tap on it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as VPN, Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, NordVPN, Proton VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from your Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall where Winds Meet app and then reinstall it. So tap and hold the where Winds Meet app icon, then click on uninstall, then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device once, and after your Android device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for where Winds Meet and then search for it, and then tap on install button to reinstall the app, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not fixed, then you have to check the where Winds Meet app server status, and if you find that their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by this way you can easily fix where Winds Meet game not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.